Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Teeny Titans character, and this time it's gonna be the awesome looking Alfred. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, let's draw Alfred here with his awesome expression. So we're gonna start out with his eyes, which is gonna be pretty simple. It's just gonna be almost just like two U. Okay, so one U and another one kind of far apart. I'm going to shade it in a little bit, make the lines a little bit thicker. So his eyebrow right here, we're going to start out with this one. Just start on the side here and just draw like a little wavy line like this. Okay, and then on the other side here, I'm going to start way up here, come down all the way to the corner of the eye. And then once you have that, I'm just going to make it a little bit thicker on the top right here. So I'm just going to shade that in. And then right here, it's going to be a little bit thicker in the middle as well. So you can shade it in with pencil or a Sharpie. Okay, just keep the corners a little bit sharper. Okay, so that's going to be his eyes, and let's move down to his little mustache right here. So I'm just going to come straight down here. Draw two lines like this. And I'm going to shade that in as well. And then lastly for his face, it's his mouth just going to come right across under his mustache. Alright, so it's a very cool expression. So now for the side of the face, so we can start up here. Just going to come down, hook it down, and stop right around here. Okay, so if you go back up, it's going to be right around here. So just stop right there. And then now we're going to go back up. We're going to draw the top of the head. We're going to go up. So the peak of the head is going to be right around here. It's going to peak right there. And then we're going to come back down. So it's a little bit tricky because we're seeing it from a 3/4 view and not straight on. So just come all the way down right around here. Okay, and then we're going to draw his ear. So we're going to start from here. Just go out. Come in. So this curve right here, we're going to finish this curve to finish up his face, his head. Okay, and then from here we can draw in, let's just draw in two lines right now for his neck. Okay, and then we got to finish give him some hair up here. So right here, you can start right here and just kind of curve up. So that's one, and then it's going to be two more. So 1, 2, and then one more at the top. Alright, so very cartoony. So now let's move on to his body. So right here where his neck is, let's draw a circle right in the middle. It's gonna be his bow tie. And then we'll just draw in two lines going up. Come back down. Just a very simple bow tie. And then right here, it's got a collar. So we're just gonna draw two lines like that. Okay. And then for his suit, right here in the corner, come down, very sharp V. And then in here, it's gonna be a shirt. So I'm gonna draw 3 buttons. So find the middle, draw one, and then we just draw one more on the top and the bottom. Okay, so that's gonna be a shirt on the inside. So let's draw in his suit. So his suit right here, it's got pretty wide shoulders. Slant it down, then we're going to come in slightly, so it's a little bit angular. So now we're going to come down all the way down to his waist here, and then we're going to flare it back out slightly for his bottom of his coat, and then we just kind of close it off. Alright, so now let's see, let's draw it in this arm first because it's a little bit easier. So right here's the armpit, curve, coming down, and just curve it behind the back. And the same thing here, we're gonna come down, curve it, and just go behind the back. Okay, and then here's his shirt, his cuff, and then another button right here. Alright, so his other arm here is gonna be holding the tray with the tea and teapot. So we're gonna come here, just curve like this, and then we're gonna come down. This is gonna be the cuff, And then we're just gonna curve this all the way back down here to his armpit. So curve it. Okay, and then we just gonna add a line there for his cuff. Same thing, we're gonna add a little button. And then now for the tray, we're gonna start on this corner right here. We're just gonna draw one line across. We're gonna extend it here. And then we're gonna go up slightly. So it's a very thin tray, and then we come back across. Okay, and then that's the tray. So his hand is gonna be on the bottom here. So we're gonna come up, and then we're just gonna draw one curve like this. Okay, and then now for the teapot, so we can start drawing a bracket. Okay, and then close it off. And we can add in one section. And then here's the top of the teapot. And then the handle itself, so it's gonna be just two curves. And then here's the spout. And then for the cup itself, it's really easy. So we're just gonna draw one line and then just curve it down. Okay, so let's finish up the legs. This is gonna be pretty simple. So right here on the corner here, we're just gonna continue the line for his pants. And come in slightly. Just kind of flare it out slightly so it's just a little bit bigger on the bottom. Close that off. And then same thing on the other side. Come down. Come in here. Just flare it out slightly. Okay, close it off. And then this part, it's gonna be, the foot's a little bit seen from the side here, so we're gonna come out a little bit more. Come in. Here's the heel, come down. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of a cut here so to show the heel. And then on the other side here, this one you can see it from the front, so we're just gonna draw two brackets here, and then we're just gonna close it off. Okay, so now let's draw in the base. So come out here, make a little dot, come all the way across horizontally, make another dot, and then now we're just gonna draw one curve side to side. Okay, so once you have that, we're gonna slant out. And then now we're just gonna draw the same curve, but a little bit wider. So we come all the way around. Okay, so that's the side. So now let's draw the top. So we're gonna draw the same curve as this one, but just on the opposite side. So we're gonna go up and come back down to the corner. And that is it for this Alfred drawing from the Teeny Titans. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.